friends, what's up? I look like this because, I mean, who isn't looking like this during quarantine? If you are not waking up looking like this, there is something wrong with me maybe, because this is how I look every single day. I haven't sat in my filming setup in probably over 6 weeks or something like that. So I thought that, I mean, I wanted to make some Eid looks, and this year I had like so many Eid looks planned like way before. I actually thought I was gonna spend Eid in Pakistan. It's a whole like story I will tell you guys maybe in another video, but I thought I was gonna spend Eid in Pakistan, so I had like pre-made or pre-thought of like the fun Eid looks I wanted to do. Anyways, I'm obviously not in Pakistan. So yeah, so today's look is going to, I'm gonna put my wig on later, I'm not gonna put it on right now, but today's look is going to be like a bold lip with lashes. I think that looks so good, and it's not too much eyeshadow. It's like literally you can put on your foundation and your base, and then you put on your lips and nice lashes, and you're good to go. Put all my hair away because it is annoying. Also, my nails are blue. I dyed my hair last night at like 1 a.m. and I didn't wear gloves. I'm using this Youth Watery Oil. It's literally called Youth Watery Oil by Grwm or whatever, and I just put some on my face. I really like this because it's literally a watery oil. No, it almost went in my mouth. I was rose-eyeing. Anyway, so I'm putting this on my skin first because I've been finding my skin is like really dry recently. If you guys follow my vlog channel, which if you're not, you should be following my vlog channel, because I'm posting there like 3 to 4 times a week, and I feel like the vlog channel is a lot more fun. I really like this. If you guys like are able to get your hands on it, it's such a good, it's like, I don't really use it for primer. I use it as like just like a base because it's not too oily. I find that when I'm gonna also use the Milk Hydro Grip. When I find that if you use like a pure oil right before you wear foundation, sometimes it can break up foundation, but a lot of girls do it and I just feel like it works fine for them. So we're going for a full face of makeup today, because first of all, I haven't worn a full face of makeup, and by full face I mean like full coverage, sorry. For my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with this Becca under eye corrector, and I got this in the color light to medium. This will be my first time using this. So you guys know I like wearing like orange corrector underneath my eye bags because my eye bags are so deep. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on. I don't think this is so like much for orange, if that makes sense, like to cancel out the blue, but I think it's like a lot more for just a brightening effect, and already you can see I don't think I should use this much of it, but it is my first time, so trial and error, you know. I've been loving again the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and I'm in the color Cookie Dough. I really like this one because like I told you guys earlier, my foundation and stuff has been creasing or like getting all cakey, and this hasn't been. And then for contouring, I'm going to use this Easy Contour one by Charlotte Tilbury, and yeah, so we're gonna first put these on, blend it out, and then apply our foundation. I like to like put a decent amount of this. I'm just gonna bring this down, and the only thing about this is you guys have to make sure that you blend this out almost right away because it like dries really quick. I think that's why it doesn't crease so much, because it dries so quick. It kind of just like sets in place, you get what I mean? You know, this thing sets so fast. I would even recommend doing one eye at a time, because by the time I got to the eye, it was already set. Then I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm just gonna put a few dots just around my face. And this one I got in the color medium dark, so it's a little dark for me, but it's not the worst. And then like I said, this also kind of dries up really fast, so you want to make sure you blend it out, and I'm going to blend this out with a beauty blender just to make sure I keep the color. This one is really dark, but we're going to go over it with a actual foundation, so don't be scared. I don't know why I'm putting it on my forehead because I'm about to put my wig on after. I'm gonna have to wipe it off anyway. Oops. Like I said, I ordered a color way too dark for my skin. I feel like I should have ordered, like this is the medium to dark. I should have ordered the light medium. That's why I've been wearing it like under the foundation, because I can always cover some of the color, whereas putting it over, it almost looks like a little muddy. Then I'm gonna go in with foundation, and I've been struggling with my foundation a little bit. I can't find one that I like. I've been using my mom's at home, and it's the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation or whatever, and I really like that one, so I might pick it up for myself. But other than that, I haven't been like really crazy about any foundation, so I'm gonna use my Tarte Double Duty Beauty today, and just like I'm gonna put a little bit of it on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and just blend this out everywhere. And this is lighter for my skin, not too much lighter, but it is a little bit lighter, and I'm just gonna use this to kind of go over any spots that I feel like, okay, yeah, this is way light. Sorry guys, I look like a clown right now. I just have to figure out a new foundation. Can you guys tell me, like, do you guys like any foundations right now? I don't know. I used to love the Too Faced Born This Way, but you know when you just want like something new to play with? That's what my problem is. I haven't recently come across a foundation that I'm like, oh my god, this is the best foundation ever. So I kind of want that, and then when you get excited to like wear it, I'm like, ooh, I can't wait to wear that foundation. I may look crazy to you right now, but I promise it all comes together. Is I think I'm gonna set my under eyes. So I like to use my Huda Beauty banana bread baking powder, and now today I might actually bake, okay? Because you guys know I don't like baking recently, but when it comes to full looks like this, I want it to be set in place. I'm not picking my nose, I'm cleaning my nose ring. So let's set our under eye. For the rest of my face, I really like the Too Faced the Peach Perfect powder. I like it because it kind of like makes your face all velvety and stuff. So I'm gonna take this and just set the rest of my face with it. It's not like too thick or anything. Like I find the Huda Beauty powder can be very drying sometimes. So that's why I don't like to leave it onto my skin too much. Like you can feel it like suck up everything, all the oil. So I'm also gonna just use this to pat the rest of that off as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna quickly do my brows. And for my brows, you guys know I love the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. It's my favorite. I also recently waxed my eyebrows all by myself. If you guys want to see that, it's on my vlog channel. I was really scared because I've never done it before, and I was terrified because I accidentally got hard wax. I don't know why I was more scared that it was just hard wax, but it ended up working out so good. So that's on my vlog channel if you guys haven't seen it. And I'm really excited because now I'm like, oh, I don't really need to go out anymore to do my eyebrows even. Like it was so nice. I just got myself like one of those wax kits from Amazon, and it just heats it in that little pot, and then I just used it from there. It was like it was good. I was proud of myself. I hate this eyebrow. This eyebrow is the worst eyebrow I have ever met in my life. It's the worst. It never cooperates. It never wants to be equal. It's just, I hate it so much. So I'm gonna go in with a bronzer. I'm trying to think if I want to use a new bronzer or what I normally use. I think I'll use what I normally use, and that is my favorite ever Marc Jacobs. This is the Tantastic bronzer. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush like this because I don't really chisel too much my face, because I just feel like anytime I did try, it was a disaster, and it made me look just, it was just never blended out well enough. So either way, the focus is on my lips, but you guys have to remember, if you're doing a dark lip, sometimes that'll wash off the rest of your face. So make sure you put like a decent amount of bronzer, just enough to make sure that when you do take pictures, it doesn't just have like a pure flashback effect, you know? It's weird because on camera, it looks like I haven't blended it out right here, but when I'm looking at it in my mirror, it looks completely fine. So, I mean, I don't know. I really need to figure out my lighting and stuff, but it's like, it's blended out. It just is not showing. Either way, you guys are like super close in. Like when I'm like this far, can you really tell if it's not blended? You know what I mean? And I don't know what's gonna happen, because what do you guys do for Eid? So we normally just chill at home and eat. Like we rarely go anywhere for Eid, but we'll like get dressed and just sit at home and eat. And then other times we'll just kind of chill and not get dressed and sit at home and just enjoy family time. So I don't know, we don't do anything too crazy, but that's probably because we don't have like a huge family group here. Or we were thinking to, because you guys know I live in, like, I have my place in Toronto where we at right now. So we were thinking that maybe we can just kind of come here, and then we can just like take out and eat here, if that makes sense. So I don't know what we're gonna do, whatever my mom wants. I feel like, I promise you guys, I do not look like this in real life. Like in real life, it blended out. I don't know. I just feel like maybe the saturation on my camera is too much. It doesn't matter because you guys should know that if I know I'm taking pictures, I'm putting extra layers of makeup on because I just want it to look flawless in pictures, and the best way to do that is just to put extra makeup on, you know? Now we're gonna move on to the eyeliner. Actually, let's put on highlight. I haven't been putting on highlight recently, but you know, we'll put it on. So I'm gonna use the MAC Hyper Real Glow. I love this one. I like to use that middle shade right there, and I'm gonna use it on this Morphe R36. It was a collab with Benefit Cosmetics. I was going to wet this, but my skin has some texture on it and I'm just not a fan of when that is highlighted, so I'm just gonna not wet it and put it on. It's still very like bright. I'm just not gonna put too much pressure on my skin to look full. So now I want to move on to the eyeliner, and now with eyeliner, you guys know my favorite eyeliner in the whole entire world is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and we're gonna put this on. I don't know if I can I zoom you guys more in? I cannot. You guys are all zoomed in. For my wing, I'm going to get up close and personal, and I first like to make this little wing right here on both sides to make sure I get it even. And then once I feel like it's even, that's when I'll attach it. And yeah, you'll attach it at this like little fold, like you know where when you look up there's a fold, that's where you want to attach it at. When you attach it too high, it doesn't really look like a wing. It ends up being way too fat. So I'm gonna quickly do my eyeliner, guys. I'm sorry, but this camera is dying because I'm not using like my big fancy camera. I'm using my vlog camera. So I'm gonna quickly charge you guys, do my eyeliner, and then we'll be back. So you guys are charged up, but you can see that I did this one liner already. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other liner with you guys. So what I did was I put gold glitter. So I used the Urban Decay Heavy Metal liquid glitter liner in the color Midnight Cowboy. And then what I did for my actual liner itself, if you guys can see here, I only did half the liner. So my liner actually stops right here. I didn't take it all the way in. And this is like, I just been liking doing my liner like this because most of the time where I mess up my liner is right here, like it'll become too thick. So I only did half. I'm gonna top this off with the glitter liner, and that's gonna be it for our eye. I'm doing like a super deep cleaning of my house. You guys are gonna have to watch my vlog. There was like a bug crawling on me last night and I freaked out. It was like 1 a.m. and I took all my clothes that were like, because I don't have enough space in my closet because I keep ordering clothes that I will never wear. And so I would fold them and put them on the floor because I didn't have like hangers. And I took all those clothes, I put them on the floor, and then I started washing them, and then I vacuumed everything because the place I live in, I've been having some issues with bugs. It's not like the worst, but I mean, I don't want bugs crawling on me, you know what I mean? So I'm doing that too, so you guys will have to watch my vlog for that. It's gonna be like a whole decluttering of my closet and all that stuff. We're gonna get on to our lips. I'm gonna put on lashes too, by the way. So I'm gonna put on these lashes. You guys know the drill. They're Sansa Beauty 905 lashes, and I'm gonna pop these on. While I'm waiting for my lash glue to dry on my lashes, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. I never do this, but I just like thought I would today, so I'm just gonna highlight the brow bone area with the same highlighter that I used on my cheekbones. I don't remember the last time I highlighted my brow bone though, I will say that. And then I'm also going to take a little bit and pop this in the inner corner. Just a little bit, you know, why not? And now we're gonna pop on our lashes. These are the Shop Sansa Beauty lashes in 905. I'm gonna do this off camera. Now is the best part. This is the part where we tie our entire look together with our lips. Now what we're going to do is grab yourself a lip liner. So this is the Bare Minerals Statement lip liner. It's like a dark purple. It's not really a red. And then my favorite lipstick currently is this is the Dance With Me liquid lipstick by MAC. And you guys, this is like, it's not fully a red, it's like a berry red, and it's so nice. It's just so nice. So what we're going to do is start off with a lip scrub because my lips are very crusty from the foundation, and I find that if you put on a bold lip color with like crusty lips, it shows more. So we're just gonna, you know, massage this in. after we've wiped it off, I'm gonna put a little dab of foundation on my lips just to get off the color. We're gonna line our lips. So I'm gonna overline. I line my lips at the bottom just normal because I feel like my bottom lip doesn't need any more, like, you know. So I just kind of... Then for my upper lip, here's what I do. So I line my Cupid's bow. And then what I do is I kind of like fill in that little dip in between my Cupid's bow. And to give it more of like a... I don't know what it's called, but you guys, I hope you're getting what I'm saying. So I'm filling in that little dip, not too much, but like a decent amount. And then I just want to make sure that it's even because my lips are not fully even. Like this side goes down, if you can see, and this side's more plump. So I try to just even it out as much as I can. Now that we look like this, we're gonna fill it in with our lipstick. And I'm gonna try to go over the lip liner just because it's not like a perfect match. These MAC liquid lipsticks, you guys, are so good. I think it's one of my favorite formulas. Oh my god, I love this lipstick. I love it so much. It's so nice. I just wish I could wear it more with like my regular hair, like you guys, because I have blue hair. We all know this. And so I feel like it works because it's darker, but I just... Like I wore it on Senna's, my sister-in-law's lash launch party, and it just, it worked, but I look like Morticia Adams. This Bambi Mascara is one of my favorites by L'Oreal, Bambi Eye Mascara. It's really good. No, why did I do that? So whenever I put mascara on, I like to go with back in with just a regular spoolie and go under my lashes and kind of comb them upwards because I feel like the mascara can weigh them down sometimes. Oh, my nose is so itchy. Alright guys, I struggled putting this wig on. You guys know I think I've had this wig now for 2 years and I'm like not the best at taking care of it. So it's like very... not the best. And I got a new wig and then I ruined it. You guys just have to watch my vlog channel. But... this is the finished look. Also, quickly, I'm gonna mention here, I don't think if you guys don't follow me on my Instagram or my vlog channel, you guys don't know, but a new fat loss challenge is now open for signups. It starts on June 1st. I'm gonna post some before and after pictures here of like the recent members that have done it. You guys, we've been seeing some crazy results. Everything is done at home. It's $20. You get a desi meal prep in this one, and you also get some westernized foods as well. And then I explained to you guys how to meal prep, how to track your calories and all that kind of stuff. Everything is done at home. You don't need any equipment, and you basically just press play and follow me and work out. So I hope you guys join. The link will always be in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe here, my vlog channel, my entire family here on YouTube, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.